How to use Wise on mobile. Want to manage your finances on the go? Here's how to use the Wise app on your mobile like a pro. First, make sure you have installed the Wise app from your App Store or Play Store. Then open the app and log in using your email and password, or use biometric logging if it's set up. Once you are in, you'll land on your home dashboard. This is where you can see your balances, recent transaction, and card activity. Use the send, receive, or convert buttons to manage your money instantly. You can also add recipients, track transfers, and even freeze or unfreeze your debit card all from the app. Tap the profile icon to access settings, update details, and manage security features with just a few taps. How often do you use Wise on your phone? Let me know in the comments below. And that's how you can use Wise on mobile. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.